Miscommunication in business. Miscommunication that leads to wrong delivery, mistakes, delays, and even conflicts. Yan ay isa sa mga growing pains ng business mo, anak, na magbibigay sa iyo ng sakit sa ulo. Ito ang tandaan mo, anak. First of all, establish clear communication channels. Make sure na clear sa lahat kung sino ang dapat nilang kausapin sa bawat issue ng business at kung paano nila dapat makipag-communicate. Text ba, email, or personal appearance? Kailan dapat i-escalate ang issue sa itaas at kailan naman na sa direct report lang nila. Next, establish a culture of open and honest feedback. Medyo balat sibuyas tayong mga Pinoy, kaya dapat bilang business owner, tayo ang mag-model ng katangian ito. Pangatlo, malaki ang may tutulong ng technology. May communication software ka ba? Madaming nasa cellphone na app na makikita na natin ang status ng ating mga projects. Hindi na kailangan mang-istorbo pa para humingi ng updates. Kahit na regular team meetings, mababawasan na din because of technology. Even communication with customers can be made easier with chat messages and email. So by improving your communication with your suppliers, your customers, and your own team, you will be able to avoid misunderstandings, save time, and accomplish more. That's how to be a business-minded Pinoy.